Now see here, this is the grouping of capacitors. Now we have to calculate total capacitance between A and B. So there are 5 capacitors are arranged in this way. So for calculating the total capacitance between A and B, let us redraw this diagram. Suppose I am taking A over here and this point is B over here, this I can give as C and this I can give as D. So now see here, between A, this point is A, between A and C, this is the 4 microfarad capacitor, this I can say here C and this is D. Between A and C, that is a 4 microfarad. Between C and B is again 4 microfarad. Now between A and D is again 4 microfarad, and between D and here C, it is here the 5 microfarad, and between D and B again that is a 4 microfarad. So this diagram can be redrawn like this, and this is here 5 microfarad. Now we have to calculate total capacitance between A and B. But see here, if I take, suppose this is C1 and C2, and if I take this is C3 and C4 and this is C5. If you take this C1 upon C2, so C1 upon C2 is equal to 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. Similarly, we take C3 upon C4. C3 upon C4 is equal to also 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So C1 upon C2 is equal to C3 upon C4. If this condition is found, it means this bridge is called actually balanced bridge. So actually this is the Wheatstone bridge principle based on that. So this we call it balanced bridge, and in this case you will find total potential at C and D that remains same. So V potential at C and potential at D, that is same. It means the charging of capacitor C5 does not take place. So there is no charge in capacitor C5. So now in this case we can ignore this capacitor which is over here C5. So we just include this much capacitors, that means only 4 capacitor to calculate the total capacitance. But take care, this ratio has to be equal. So now we can take this 4 and this 4, these two are in parallel here, sorry, in series. So in series equivalent capacitor is 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. So this C1 and C2 are in series. So we can write here 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2, or we can write Cs is equal to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. So that is Cs is equal to 16 divided by 8, that becomes 2 microfarad. So the equivalent of these two is 2 microfarad, similarly equivalent of these two is 2 microfarad. Then this and this are in parallel, so the total capacitance can be written Cp plus is equal to 2 plus 2, that is a 4 microfarad. So by this method we can calculate total capacitance between A and B.